Clara, what exactly am I watching?
I hoped I was wrong. Something's wrong. Please talk to me.
I'm fine, Amy. Just tired tonight.
Keep arguing. Do exactly what I need.
Stop blaming my sister for everything!
She's destroying this family, Ben! I can't stay where I'm not believed.
If you go now, don't come back.
I love you. Remember that. The scissors were by Tom's bed.
She's lying! I didn't do it!
This one should work perfectly. I tried to stop them. They threw things.
Clara, are you hurt?
That's Dad's laptop!
You pushed it off. Nobody believes little liars, Tom. Soon those two children are going to boarding school. Then Ben's money and house will be mine.
What happens when the person you trust most keeps the darkest secrets?
That house should have been mine. I'm arriving tomorrow. Everything is ready.
Clara! I'm so glad you came.
I've missed this family so much. Welcome, Clara. Make yourself at home. Thank you. You look very tired. I brought gifts. I remembered everything.
Aunt Clara! Did you bring sweets? She was looking at Dad's papers. She doesn't feel actually nice, Tom.
I've waited years for this. Pancakes are ready. Come sit down, Ben.
Already? You're amazing. Thank you.
Dad, look! I finished my project!
Already? Let me see it, Tom.
Lily, Teddy can't eat pancakes, sweetheart.
He's watching. He already ate his.
This family stays together, always.
Promise me. I promise. Always together. Always.
Good morning, Ben. I slept so well.
Good. Sit down. Amy cooked.
There's coffee for you, Clara. Ben, tell me about your week.
Aunt Clara didn't say thank you to Mum. I noticed that too.
She'll help today. Trust her, Amy.
Just come home early. Please, Ben. It is still right where we left it, waiting for someone to remember. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Perfect. He'll believe exactly what I show him. Ben, maybe I shouldn't show you this.
Show me. What happened? Clara, what exactly am I watching?
I hoped I was wrong. Something's wrong. Please talk to me.
I'm fine, Amy. Just tired tonight.
I'm worried she doesn't respect you, Ben.
She's just stressed. That's all.
She's smiling. Dad can't see her face.
Tell me what happened.
I felt it. Tomorrow, Amy. Let's sleep now.
Aunt Clara scares me, Tom. I know. I'm watching her.
I could hear you both last night.
We talked. It was fine.
Boarding school? He's actually considering this? I saw the forms, Ben.
Clara mentioned it. I'm still thinking.
Keep arguing. Do exactly what I need.
Stop blaming my sister for everything!
She's destroying this family, Ben!
I'll fix this. I don't know how yet. Tom, Dad won't listen.
I can't stay where I'm not believed.
Mummy, please.
Please don't leave us. I'm still your mum, I promise.
Dad, please stop Mum from going.
Go to bed, Tom. please.
If you go now, don't come back.
I love you. Remember that. I've made breakfast. Things will get better.
Thank you for staying, Clara.
Teddy was here. I left him right here.
The scissors were by Tom's bed.
She's lying. I didn't do it.
Go upstairs, Tom. I said so.
Dad. She did it herself.
This one should work perfectly. I tried to stop them. They threw things.
Clara, are you hurt?
That's Dad's laptop.
You pushed it off. Nobody believes little liars, Tom.
I just needed some water. That's all.
Soon those two children are going to boarding school. Then Ben's money and house will be mine.
Lily, wake up. I heard everything. Tom, what happened? Tell me now. We need to record her. Show Dad. How? Our phones are taken. Mom always kept her old phone here. Here, behind the books. Perfect angle. She won't see it at all. Morning, Aunt Clara.
Good morning. You're both up early. You'll both be gone soon. I promise.
I already heard you on the phone.
Boarding school is exactly right for unwanted children. Ben! Where is Amy's old phone? Where did it go? Have you seen an old phone anywhere?
No, I haven't seen one. It's safe. I moved it already. Where? You have to tell me.
The bus comes at 7 tomorrow.
It's the right decision. Truly.
Tomorrow, you're going to boarding school.
Dad, please. We don't want to go. Phone's safe in the teddy. Good. I've got it. Don't worry, Tom.
Tomorrow those children leave. Everything is working perfectly. I wanted Amy gone from the start. Always.
I finished work early. Something felt wrong. Clara? What are you saying in there? Put the phone down, Clara. Now.
Ben, I can explain everything. Ben, I was trying to protect you.
I heard to protect you. I heard what you said.
Dad heard her. We show him now. The recording has everything. Go. Dad, I need you to watch this first.
Then Ben's money and house
That's
will
her
be mine.
voice.
You'll both be gone
That's
soon.
exactly what she
I promise.
said.
I already heard you on the phone.
Ben, please. It wasn't the way it sounds.
Stop. You destroyed my family. Get out.
I did everything for you, Ben. This isn't finished, Ben. You'll regret this.
I failed them. I should have listened.
I know where Mom is staying.
Tell me. I'm going now.
I'm bringing your mum home, Lily.
Are you sure she'll want to?
I've been completely wrong. About everything.
Ben, why are you here?
You were right. About everything.
You believed her, not your wife.
Yes, and I'm sorry. Truly sorry. Tom recorded Clara. He saved the family.
They did that by themselves? My babies suffered, and I wasn't there. Take me home. Right now, Ben.
I'm already parked outside. Let's go.
He'll bring her back. Trust me. I'm trying to trust it, Tom. Mom!
I'm home, my loves. I'm right here.
I nearly lost all of you. I'm so sorry.
You saved us, Tom. You did.
I just recorded what was true.
I didn't listen. I'm learning now.
We all learn from hard things.
The project wasn't damaged after all.
Neither was this family. Not really.
I missed making pancakes so much.
Teddy and I missed them too. I'm sorry you went through all that, Teddy. I took your phone, Mum. Sorry.
You used it when it mattered.
I didn't listen when you tried to tell me.
We still love you, Dad.
I know. I'll fleetingly remember it. You're staying. This is your home.
We already kinda knew that.
They moved them. They already moved the suitcases. They're safe.
They're safe.
Lies can break a family. Truth brings it back.
My project was chosen for the school science fair.
Yes, hello. I need to order a new teddy bear.
Some cracks will still show, Amy.
Cracks show what survived.
That's fine.
You were brave, Lily. Really. So were you, Tom. Really.
I want to trust us again.
Take whatever time you need, Amy. Amy.
I drew this for you, Dad. About being sorry. I've earned 3 scoops. Definitely 3. You say that every time, Tom.
3 scoops. You really earned them.
I knew it. Thank you, Mom. My ice cream's bigger.
I'm glad we're still here together.
More than I can say.
I have something important to say now.
Go ahead, Tom. We're listening.
That was the big speech, Tom?
I forgot the middle part. We're still together. That's what matters. I remembered the ending. See?
I've poured everyone's juice already, Amy.
Since when do you pour juice?
Water always evaporates and comes back.
Like families, it always comes back.
You were really helpful, Teddy. Thank you so much.
What do we call this week as a family?
This family stays together, no matter what comes.